Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add, edit, delete, and even change the position of widgets inside WordPress. Widgets are a really simple way to customize your site's layout, and yeah, you can manage them in just a few clicks. So first things first, open up your browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and click the login button. To make it easier, go ahead and choose the option that says Continue with Google. Then just select the right Google account that's connected to your site. After you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the right-hand side, under Quick Links, click Edit Site. This will take you straight into the site editor where all the layout customization happens. Now, once your site loads in the editor, click anywhere on the page to bring it into focus. To work with a widget, just click directly on the one you want to change. When you select a widget, a little dialog box will pop up right above it. This is where you can make edits. Things like changing the content, adjusting the style, or tweaking the widget's settings. Take a second to look around the options. It's all pretty straightforward. If you want to move the widget, look for the 6-dot icon. Click and hold it and you'll be able to drag and drop the widget anywhere on the page. This makes it easy to rearrange your layout. For more options, click on the 3-dot icon. From here, you can delete the widget if you don't need it anymore. Once deleted, it's gone from your page, but don't worry, you can always add another one. To add a new widget, click on the plus icon at the top left of the editor. WordPress will show you all the available widgets you can use. Pick the one you want, drop it into place, and customize it using the same dialog box settings. And that's really it. You now know how to log in, edit widgets, reposition them with drag and drop, delete ones you don't need, and add new ones to your site. With these steps, you've got full control over how your site looks and functions. So yeah, have fun experimenting with different widget setups and make your WordPress site truly yours.